Hello friends, and today I will give you 6 tips on growing garlic. And if you use them on your garlic, you will get garlic of the maximum size for your variety. And it doesn't take much to get garlic the size of an apple. The first is to choose the right time for planting winter garlic in autumn. You need to plant garlic 15 days before frost. During this time, the garlic clove manages to take root, but does not germinate. And if you plant garlic earlier, for example, a month before frost, then garlic will already have time to germinate, and with the arrival of frost, the green mass will freeze, and then in the spring you will have garlic with yellow tips. This is one of the reasons for the yellowing of garlic. But if you plant it very late, then garlic does not have time to take root and just lies in the soil, freezes and rots. The second is the dressing of garlic. They must be mandatory and they must be made at least 3 per season. Top dressing should be balanced, and it is best to use organic matter so that the soil remains fertile and environmentally friendly. I make the first garlic dressing in early spring and nitrogen should prevail in it, but other trace elements should also be present. It is best to use an infusion of chicken manure or fresh cow manure. You can also use granular manure that is sold in stores. I already have a detailed video about this feeding on my channel. Such top dressing of garlic helps to build up the root system. Leaves begin to develop well and they become greener. And then after 2 weeks I make a second top dressing and make it also a balanced organic fertilizer in which phosphorus and potassium predominate. These top dressing allows you to achieve a strong growth of garlic, it turns green, there will be no yellowed leaves. And the simplest and most affordable phosphorus potassium top dressing is an infusion of ash. By the way, this video will be released on my channel soon, so don't miss it. And with this infusion, I make a second top dressing, a third and a fourth with intervals between each fertilizer for at least 2 weeks, and also so that the top dressing starts working faster, be sure to carry out a good watering of garlic before applying them. 3. The advice will concern watering. Garlic loves moist soil very much, but does not like frequent watering. It would seem paradoxical, but the bottom line is that if you do frequent watering, garlic will start to rot and will also provoke yellowing of the leaves, so my 4 advice to you is to use mulching on garlic plantings. You can use straw hay mown weeds. It is only necessary that the weeds are without seeds and they will need to be dried before being laid out on the bed. Under the mulch, moisture is retained after good watering for about a week, even in hot weather, and this is how we ensure that garlic gets enough moisture and does not rot. The 5th tip is not to miss the moment when garlic throws out an arrow with seeds. If it is not cut in time, then garlic stops growing and gives all its strength to the ripening and formation of seeds. Therefore, if it is not removed, the garlic will be fine. And if in time, and this is done as soon as the arrow starts spinning, then the garlic will be large. But there is one nuance here, namely, on your entire garlic bed on 3 garlic bushes, leave these arrows. And this is necessary so as not to miss the moment when it's time to dig up garlic. Because if you dig up garlic very early, then it could still grow and get bigger, and you dug it out. And they didn't get the harvest. And vice versa, if it is too late to dig, thinking that the harvest will be even bigger, it will simply stop growing and begin to rot in the soil. But in this we just need those 3 uncut arrows. As soon as the arrow straightens up, and the seed chambers begin to open, it means that the garlic has already reached the condition. This is an old grandfather's proven method, meaning that there will be no more garlic to grow and it's time to dig it out. If you have any other tips about growing garlic, write in the comments, it will be interesting for both me and my viewers. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.